Recent sources indicate that the iPhone 15 series would launch in the third week of September, maybe a day earlier than previously predicted. In comparison to the iPhone 14 series, the new models might bring about major improvements thanks to rumored additions including a USB Type-C connector and the addition of the Dynamic Island feature. According to recent sources, the third week of September is anticipated to be the launch week for the iPhone 15 series. While Apple hasn't yet officially confirmed the precise date or event, Bloomberg writer Mark Gurman claims that the new iPhone models will be shown one day sooner than first anticipated. Gurman's tweet suggests that Apple's annual iPhone launch event might happen on Tuesday, September 12th, rather than the first rumored date of September 13th. According to him, the date September 12th is becoming more and more apparent. Beginning on September 22nd, pre-orders should be available for the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Also, according to Gurman, Apple's event would be a hybrid format with recorded footage, much to the iPhone 14 launch from the previous year. Pre-orders began on September 9th for the iPhone 14 series, which was introduced on September 7th at Apple's Far Out event. The purported information should be treated with care since Apple has not yet acknowledged the iPhone 15 series. If the reports are accurate, the iPhone 15 models, in contrast to the iPhone 14 series, are anticipated to provide a number of improvements, including a USB Type-C connector, which the iPhone 14 models do not yet have, would be a huge improvement. Additionally, the Dynamic Island feature, which is now only available on the Pro models of the iPhone 15, may be available on all of the iPhone 15 models, including the normal and Pro versions. Additionally, it is predicted that the iPhone 15 Pro models would use the Apple A17 Bionic SoC, whilst the standard iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus may use the A16 Bionic processor. The Pro models are rumored to contain 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of storage in the basic model, with the ability to increase storage to 2TB in the top-end model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.